Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Tonkeeper to your bank account, or basically how to withdraw your money from Tonkeeper. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Tonkeeper, once you are here and you have all your coins here, now you want to go ahead and click buy and sell option in the middle right there. Now you will have it at the top option to buy or sell. So you want to go ahead and click on sell option. And from here, you want to choose sell ton option. So you can either choose Mercurio or even change sell ton to bank card instantly. But basically they are the same. So I'm just going to choose the first one. Now from here, you will have an option to choose not only ton at the top, but also USDT, Notcoin, or even if you have some other coins, you can also sell them here too. They will be listed here. So for example, let's choose USDT, and you want to go ahead and select your currency. But as you can see, there's only two options, either US dollar or euro. So let's leave the US dollar. And that's basically how much you will get. The fee is $20, which is quite a lot. You can also go ahead and try another method. Now, after you have confirmed your email, you will see all of these details. You can use credit or debit card here, or issue a Mercurio card. So of course you're going to enter your card number, card holder name, and expiration date, and then sell it, and you will receive your money. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.